Hello everyone, I'm X4667 and today we are not going to play a game. Today I will answer to the biggest question in the gaming community. How to change key bindings in F.E.A.R 2 Project Origin. You won't find any tutorial on YouTube about it. You won't find any answer even on Steam community forums. People say it's impossible. People use a controller to play this game. People also try to use a different program executable to change it. But it's so easy, guys, that you won't believe it. Just follow me. Follow my steps and you'll be able to do it. There is no clickbait. There is no fake. There is no ad. This is something real. I really want to help you guys. I really want to help the whole gaming community worldwide with this tutorial. Just look at this. We have default. Now we want to change sprint to shift from alt. Let's do it. Of course, it's an alt key and it's not safe. If we go back and enter again, we'll see that it's here. It's not saved. But how to save it? Let's follow my steps. Press on C now. C is already assigned to crouch. Do you want to change this binding? Yes. And now is shift. Crouch is unbound. Now we put C for crouch. There is no alt key and sprint is changed to shift. Now we go back and it's saved. Look at this, guys, it's saved. We changed the key bindings in F.E.A.R 2 Project Origin. And now let's do it melee, for example. We want to put it on G. And now we set it on B. Cycle fire mode. Yes. The alt key is on B. Now we go here and put this on B again. And we change it. The easiest way to change key bindings in this game. This is. And zoom is unbound. Why is unbound? The answer is here. Because shift was made for zoom. And now, because we put shift on sprint, the zoom mode is unbound. Mouse 2. And now we want to go, for example, to the map. Map mode. Put it on M. 2 is for talk. Yes. And we get 2 for this. T is for talk. Map mode is M. Now we go back. And it's saved, guys. It's saved for real. No kidding, no joking. This is for real, guys. This is saved. It won't restore to the default anyhow. Now we can enter the game and see the changes. Start the game, single player, easy, launch. And we go over a lot of stuff, if you want, I don't know how. I think we can't. We can't jump the cutscenes, but the fact that it's changed is for real. It's no restoring point. Just did it and see the difference. Play it without any problems, without any controller, and without any different app. With my tutorial. Follow it. Let me a like and a subscribe. That's it, guys. For the first time, international, worldwide. I found the solution for a problem that anyone didn't find a solution for a whole time. Have a nice day and see you next time, guys.